What is your favorite room in the house and why? Hi, my name is Cathy Resek. I am a realtor with Keller Realty, and in today's Real Estate Talks, I'll be talking from my favorite room in the house, which is the kitchen. During these past few months, many of us have had to stay home, and also many of us have started cooking much more than before. So today, I wanted to share with you my very favorite bread recipe in the world. It's the easiest recipe you ever find. It's a no-knead rustic bread, only 4 ingredients, and super easy to make. I have been making this bread for the past 11 years, and it's actually an adaptation that I did from the no-knead bread recipe, which is very famous. But this one is way easier than that because you don't need a Dutch oven. It's super simple to make, so let me show you how to make it. Try it and let me know if you like it in the comments below and if you have any questions. If you're thinking of buying in the greater Miami area, call me for a free consultation. I've been working with buyers for the last 15 years and I love it. And I'll be very happy to assist you. My information can be found in the description below this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Press the bell so you can be notified every time there is a new upload. I will be uploading videos on a weekly basis to share tips with you to make your move easier. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video.